Welcome to Winthrop, a small town in the northern US. It is celebrating the centenary of Blue Norholm Primary School. Today, a new school year begins. This day is not easy for every child, especially if you are the new boy at school, like little Ian. New people to meet, new places to explore. It would be simple if not for one small detail. Ian is blind. Luckily, he's not alone. His faithful friend North is always with him to be his eyes, and today they will need each other more than ever.
Dad told us to ask for Principal Bates.
You must be Ian. Welcome to Blue Norholm Primary School. I'm Mr. Bates, principal of the school. It is an honor to welcome our first blind student. Our facilities are completely adapted to your comfort.
Hello, Mr. Bates. Nice to meet you.
What is your little friend's name?
He's North.
Come on, let me guide you around the school, Ian. First, I want to show you the school map. If you get disoriented, there are braille maps everywhere. Now, touch this map.
We're in this big dot, right?
Yes, we are.
This is heavy. This school is huge.
That's why there are maps all around the school.
Cool.
As you already know, you can unleash your dog inside.
North is very polite, but he gets a bit nervous when he's lost. North, search for another map, but don't go too far or disturb people. Be careful, North. Try not to disturb anybody, please.
Oh, a dog in the school. What's this dog doing in here?
North! Where are you?
Oh, a dog in the school.
It took you so long. Being alone for too long scares me.
Come, Ian. I will guide you to your classroom.
Okay, let's go, North.
This door leads to the courtyard. The next one is my office. Come, let's move on. These big doors are the library. You can come here to read and study whenever you want. This is your classroom, 111. Open the door, don't be afraid. You can explore the room a bit if you want. Afterwards, meet your classmates at the gym. It's at the end of the hallway. We are celebrating the school centenary. Hurry up! I'll join you in a minute.
It seems that Mr. Bates has dropped something. North, search for it and bark when you find it. But don't bark too loud, just enough so I can hear you.
Watch out, Matt!
A tape! Luckily, I never forget my cassette player.
September the 1st, 1987. Little Ian will arrive at the school in 7 days, but the centenary isn't fully prepared yet. I hope the adjustments at the school are good enough so Ian and his little friend can move around in no time.
Let's go to the gym. We're late. Mr. Bates told us to be there as soon as possible. Be careful, North. Try not to disturb anybody, please. Mr. Bates told us to be there as soon as possible. If you go far away, bark loudly so I can find where you are. Come on, North. Let me hear you. North, be careful! Barking loudly like that startles me. Let's go in, or else we'll miss the presentation. Let's go, North. Let's search for a place to stand.
50 years ago, students like you decided to fill this time capsule with several objects. Objects considered important and worthy of being rediscovered in the future. Their future is now our present. Plus, there are slides that show how the school was like at that time. It was a bit less messy, of course. When we discovered the slides, there was a note saying, "The greatness of a school comes from its students and teachers. This is dedicated to them."
What's going on, North? I want to get out of here. I'm scared.